it? 5 pants. So a lounger, suede pants. These I wore off the ship at some point. And then this is like a, what is this called? Like a jogger, but it's water resistant a little bit. And this I already had, so I didn't have to buy this, but I did have to buy the rain pants. And then I bought one leggings. I have yet to wear that. And then the black jeans that I'm wearing right now is this is the first time I'm actually wearing this. I did bring a dress pants, and I've wore it once. So those are pants. I bought 4 long sleeve sweaters. Side note, I did not realize that at home I don't have that many long sleeve sweaters. I think I had 2. Because at home, what I typically would wear is something like this. This is a sweater shirt that I have on. And then I have this big puffy coat that I usually wear. And I did not realize that that coat is what kept me going all through the winter. And also, where I live, we don't get like really harsh winter. And when we do, I stay in the house because I don't like the cold. So I had to purchase a couple of sweaters. But I have this one. This is a really soft. I also made sure that. All right, so the other one is this one. This I already had. This is not wool blend, but it was very good. And it's one of my favorite sweaters that I have that I wear all the time. If you see me at home, you see me with this. This wool blend I bought, I've worn this twice. One for dinner, and actually I think 2 dinners I've wore this. Only because it's very lightweight, and I had to go outside, so I didn't want to be too hot again. Um, I bought this one that I have not worn yet. Uh, this is a blue one. I have not worn this yet. Okay, and then I have 2, 3, 3 short sleeves plus this one that I have on right now. These are all like sweater material except for this one, which is like a t-shirt, and I wore this just to walk around the ship. I think I wore this for maybe 2 hours, so not long. This one that I'm wearing, I have this one that I have not wore yet, and then I have this long sleeve that I have not wore yet. I did bring a couple of dress shirts. This one because I had a training. This one is one of my favorite shirts, of course. I have not worn this yet. I might wear this to dinner tonight. Let's see what else. 2 dresses. This one I wore to dinner with my husband at our date night. See, I've already packed. So simple, and it went with my cardigan. And then I bought my silk dress. I have not wore that yet. It's still in the hanger. The silk dress goes with me everywhere I go because it's simple and I can always layer it. It works for Caribbean. It works for winter because you can always put a different layer in it. And I had ideas of how I was going to wear it, even though I haven't worn it yet. I may do a video on the different ways you could style a slip dress in different, you know, for a cruise in the cold or when you go to the tropics. I bought 2 sets of pajamas. Bought my cardigan. It's dressy. You could dress it down, you could dress it up, and it's a charcoal kind of color. So it went really well with my dress. It's gone really well with my sweaters. It served me well. This was a good buy. Let me see. 2 hats. One got wet, so I was able to switch it. 2 sets of gloves. This waterproof one I have not wore yet. The other one is still hanging up. I have one, call me crazy, but I have one swimsuit that I brought with me, and I did get in the hot tub one time. I thought I was gonna go to the spa. I have not gone to the spa yet. And what have I? Oh, and I have this turtleneck wool. It's a sleeveless shell. I have the black one and the white one. I have not wore the white one yet, and the black one I actually wore on the plane to Seattle. So this was a travel one for me, and I thought I was gonna wear it again as like double days, but I have not had the need to wear it yet. I have my wool shawl, very handy. Wool jacket, and I've worn it several times on the ship. I've even wore it outside. And my winter ski jacket. It has a shell, an outer shell, and an inner shell. It has lots of pockets. So, but wearing both of these together and the sweater when I went to Mendenhall Falls, I had these on. I was so hot. Um, it was 40 degrees, I think, but I was burning up, and I took this off after a while to take a couple of pictures at the falls, and my head got wet because the I had this on. This got wet, and that's why I sound congested right now because I was too hot. We hiked, we walked really fast, and then I got cold. So recipe for disaster. So I'm a little stuffy right now, but overall, I shoes. I bought rain shoe, a boots, a clog like a slide-on clog. I wear that for travel. Most days I wear that for travel days. Let me show you guys. I bought my rain boots. I did not even take this out of the room. I literally only took it out to record this video. I have my hiking boots. This is all I've worn outside of the ship. Um, it kept me warm, and if I needed to wear, I had my wool socks. I had a couple. I bought about 3 wool socks. Wool socks, and this has kept me warm outside of the ship. My clogs. These are my travel clogs. These go everywhere with me. I could dress it up as much as I can. A lot of people don't like it when I wear it, but these are so comfortable, and I could wear it with socks, especially when I'm traveling, because then I could just slide my foot out on the plane. Um, these is for inside the cabin. Even though I've seen people walking around the ship with this, you would not see me walking around the ship with this. But inside the cabin. I think that's it. So, you know, tomorrow we have one more port today. I might go out, I might not, but this is probably what I'll keep on. And really, you could go to dinner like this. So I may just keep this on and go to dinners because it's not like I'm doing much of anything today. They have some entertainment, but I'm not participating. So that's it. So I have quite a few things I have not worn. So what could I have bought more of or less of? Um, whew, I don't think. I think I could have bought less shirts because I have one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five that I have not worn at all yet. So I could have bought less shirts. I probably could have gotten away with just one hat, but I needed to be on the safe side, and so I bought two just to make sure in case one get wet, which it did. Um, I think I would have bought thinner sweaters, but I'm okay with the sweaters that I did bring because you never know what the temperature or the weather is gonna be. It was supposed to be raining and cold the entire time. 30s and everything, and it's not. So, you know, because I'm always cold, it's okay. I think I'm okay with it. I could have bought one less dress, but again, like I said, if I just bought one dress, I would have been fine. I think what I would have bought more of actually is loungers, because I am not one to wear jeans necessarily so much, because I don't like the material of my skin for too long. I like to wear skirts, and I wish I had found skirts that are I wish I had found skirts that were free flowing, so that once I get back on the ship, I could just take them off and walk around. So I wish I had bought more loungers, so that when I get back in, I could change, because I don't like wearing pants all that much. Okay, so I'm adding some clips in post production of the outfits that I wore while I was on the ship. As I remembered to take videos of it, I did, and but I wasn't able to do all of the. Contact me if you want to cruise to Alaska. I have thoughts on Norwegian and everything else, and you'll find those videos coming up soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.